Hey, what's up guys? I just want to recap and go over a couple of things from the unboxing that I recently just put on. End caps, color matching end caps, the door handles. I put on a 4x4 blacked out badge. TRD shift knob. Organizer. Actually put on LED and LED lights too, all around. There, the dome, vanities, third light, and the license plate lights are LEDs now. I actually got a really good deal on them, and I still have bulbs left. Actually, a lot of bulbs. 27 bucks. Amazon found them on, and they went in very easy, and they look really good. I'm still thinking about doing. Well, I keep on putting off the appointment, but I'm putting it off because of I don't know if I should do it or not, and that would be the color matching the chrome to the truck. Let me know what you guys think. I'd like your opinion on it. You know, I can see it. You know, the wheels make it kind of look nice with the chrome, but I was never a chrome person. So let me know your thoughts, guys. And more to come. Going to be doing a lot of upgrades to this truck, so stay tuned. And we're going to be talking about upgrades to the 2015 550i as well. This is it open? There she is. We'll go for a ride with her one day. Show you guys how that performs. But yeah, just want to do a quick video for you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.